Hi guys, welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name is Amanda and today we are going to be talking about jive rock steps and triple steps, and we will be putting a routine together so you can practice them. Alrighty, we will quickly go through this routine. We are gonna start with our left foot going back and we are gonna have rock, step, triple step. Rock, step, triple step. Rock, step, triple step, rock, step, triple step. Next, we're gonna go into the walks. We have our left foot going back again, rock, step, triple step, triple step. Walk, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, hold, 7, ball change. And now we're gonna do again walks, but going now in the opposite direction. Right foot going back, rock, step, triple step, triple step. Walk, 2, 3, 4, triple step, hold, ball change, and back to the beginning. Alrighty, now with the counts, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Hold, ball change. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alrighty guys, let's now get into the details about the rock steps and the triple steps. We are gonna start at the feet, work our way to our knees, and then we won't discuss about the hips in this video, but we do have a video with the hips that we will link above. Alrighty, so I'm gonna turn to the side and we're gonna go with our right foot going back first. Let's talk about the footwork. We have ball flat, peel the front foot off, and ball flat. Let's try it again. And ball flat, peel the front foot off, ball flat, peeling the back foot off. And ball flat, ball flat. Again, ball flat, ball flat. Now, you know the size of your step when your knees touch. So when I'm pulling that foot back and my knees finally touch, that's as big as my step should get. And ball flat, ball flat. And again, ball flat, ball flat. And again, ball flat, ball flat. And again, ball flat, and make sure that the front heel peels off, and ball flat and make sure the back heel peels off. Ball flat, ball flat. And again, ball flat, ball flat. And again, ball flat, ball flat. And again, ball flat, ball flat. Very good. Let's switch feet. Left foot going back. We have and ball flat, ball flat. And again, 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 ball flat, ball flat. And ball flat, ball flat. And again, ball flat, ball flat. And again, ball flat, ball flat. And again, ball flat, ball flat. Alrighty guys, let's work our way up to our knees. And when we put our foot back and our heel down, we should have a bent knee as we're peeling the front foot off the ground. My back knee is straightening as my front knee is bending. And now I'm going to place my front heel down on the ground and straighten my front knee. And for a second, my back knee is staying straight, but then it's bending and coming in. Let's do that again. So we have bend straight, pull it in. 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 Bend straight, bend straight. Bend straight, bend straight. Bend straight, bend straight. Bend straight, bend straight. Very good. Let's switch. And let's do it again. First time nice and slow. Heel down, bend knee in the back, straighten the back knee and bend the front knee at the same time. Now heel down in the front, straighten the front knee, leave the back knee straight, and then pull it in. Very good. Let's do it again. Bend straight, again. Bend straight, again. Bend straight, bend straight. Bend straight, bend straight. Bend straight, bend straight. Switch and bend straight, bend straight. Bend straight, bend straight. Bend straight, bend straight. Bend straight, bend straight. All right, moving along to the triple step. Let's talk about our footwork first. We have ball, ball, ball flat. 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 And if you notice, I have ball and it's right underneath. It's not together. It's right underneath my body. Now my second foot is going to go ball. They're not going to collect completely together. There's going to be a little bit of space and ball flat. Ball, a little bit of space, ball flat. Ball, ball, ball flat. I'm using the inside edges of my big toes. Ball, ball, ball flat. Ball, ball, ball flat. Ball, ball, ball flat. Ball, ball, ball flat. Here we go. Ball, ball, ball flat. 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 Now let's discuss about the knees in the triple step. So I'm going to turn to the side so you can see better. I have bend, bend, bend straight. Bend, bend, bend straight. Bend, bend, bend straight. Bend, bend, bend straight. And when you notice, when I'm straightening on that standing leg, my moving leg is staying bent. So I'm not straightening two legs. I'm only straightening that standing leg and bend, bend, bend. Only my standing leg straightens. Bend, bend, bend straight. Bend, bend, bend straight. Bend, bend, bend straight. Okay guys, now let's circle back to our practice routine and let's do it one time, now focusing on our footwork, and then after we'll do it focusing on our knee action. Here we go. Footwork. And ball flat, ball flat, ball, ball, ball flat, 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 ball, ball, ball flat, ball of the foot, ball of the foot, ball of the foot, ball of the foot, ball, ball, ball flat, hold, ball, ball flat. And again, ball flat, ball flat, ball, ball, ball flat, ball, ball, ball flat, ball of the foot, ball of the foot, ball of the foot, ball of the foot, ball, ball, ball flat, hold, ball, ball flat. Now let's do the knee action. We have bend straight, bend straight, bend, bend, bend straight, 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 bend, bend, bend straight, bend straight, bend straight, bend straight, bend straight, bend, bend, bend straight, straight, bend, bend straight, and bend straight, bend straight, bend, bend, bend straight, bend, bend, bend straight, bend straight, bend straight, bend straight, bend straight, bend, bend, bend straight, straight, bend, bend straight. Alrighty guys, now it is time to practice with music. I will do it one time facing you and one time facing away. Alrighty guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.